Today, I'm going to show you how to delete a form or quiz in Microsoft Forms. This is useful when you need to clean up old surveys, remove outdated quizzes, or simply organize your workspace more effectively. First, open your web browser and navigate to forms.office.com. Once you arrive at the page, you'll be prompted to log in with your credentials to access your Microsoft Forms account. This step ensures you're accessing the right workspace where all your forms and quizzes are stored. After logging in, you'll land on your Microsoft Forms dashboard. This is your main hub where you can view and manage all your created content. Look for the option labeled My Forms at the top of the page and click on it. This section displays all the forms and quizzes you've created, making it easy to browse through your collection. Now, take a moment to locate the specific form or quiz you want to delete. You can scroll through your list to find it. Once you've identified the form or quiz you want to remove, navigate your mouse over to its title. You'll notice that as you hover over it, additional options become available. Next to the form or quiz title, you should see a 3 dotted lines icon. This icon typically represents a menu with more actions. Go ahead and click on those 3 dotted lines. A drop-down menu will appear with several options for managing that particular form or quiz. From this menu, look for and select the Delete option. This action signals that you want to permanently remove this form or quiz from your account. Keep in mind that this step is important because it determines which specific item you're about to delete. After clicking Delete, a confirmation pop-up will appear on your screen. This is Microsoft Forms' way of making sure you really want to proceed with the deletion, as this action is typically permanent. The pop-up will ask you to confirm your decision. To finalize the deletion, click the Delete button in the confirmation pop-up. Once you do this, the form or quiz will be permanently removed from your Microsoft Forms account, and you won't be able to recover it afterward. And there you have it. You've successfully removed the unwanted form or quiz from your Microsoft Forms dashboard. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.